Indian Organ Donation Day lising ani kuturuk nasi mafam kaya da pak na pangthok nari numit asiga Malaysia na Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Manipur miyam da efa paujel piri mahaki paujel da hai organ donor singbu ikai khumna ba amadi organ donate tawbagi matang da miyam da wakal tahanna bagi da numit asi pangthok pani numit asi India gi ahan ba lekhidra ba miyoi amadagi heart transplant tawkiba numit adubu ningsing duna pangthok pani hari organ donate tawbagi wakalon miyam da fauhannaba amadi leiriba aranba wafam sing pukhanduna organ donate tawbagi wakalon sing asi ipum kudimakta jalhan matangay fadi hainasu Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana miyam da for paujel piri. National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur gi Tramdurak Shuba Annual Convocation hayeng pangthok lagani haire City Convention Center da pangthok doriba annual convocation asigi mangoy na ngasi paumising unabada NIT Manipur gi Computer Science and Engineering Department gi Professor Oibatanatana Director Oiriba Professor Dr. DVLN Somaya Zuluna Fongdorok pagi matungina hayeng pangthok doriba annual convocation asada Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan amadi Board of Governors NIT Manipur gi Chairperson Bajrang Lal Bagrat charuk yagani Convocation asada BTech ki Mahiroi Chani Taruk, MTech ki Kuntra Nipan, MSc ki Kunmari Amadi, PhD ki Kuntra Mathoi, Punna Mahiroi Chani Morama Panda, Degree Pigani Amadi, Mahiroi Taruk Tana, Institute Gold Medal Amadi, Mahiroi Amana, Chairman Gold Medal Pitunai Kai Kumaba Utkani Hari.